Now, how do you build the artifact with dependencies? You do that using a build tool. So there are special tools to create the artifacts. And these tools are also specific to the programming language. For Java, there is Maven and Gradle, for example. So what do these tools do and how do they build the artifact? These tools install the dependencies. They compile your whole code, compress your code to reduce the size, and can also do some other different tasks. So what are the differences between them, since we have, in case of Java, Gradle, and Maven? The differences are that Maven uses XML, while Gradle uses Groovy language, which is more convenient for scripting and for writing all those tasks for building the application, compiling, etc. as a Java code, or in this case, Groovy code itself. They both have command line tools and have commands to execute these various tasks like installing dependencies, building artifacts, etc. Now, if I want to build my application with Gradle, I'm going to execute Gradle build command like this. And because we have Gradle available locally on the laptop, we can just run Gradle and build. And if I execute this, Java will be compiled and all the dependencies together with the application code will be packaged into a jar file. You see that build folder was generated, and inside the build folder there are a couple of other folders. In libs folder there is my jar file, and this jar file has all the code inside to execute and start the application. And now we can do the same for Java Maven. Maven has its own command for building the application, Maven install command, that will build my jar file. Build successful. If I click in, here you see also a folder got generated. In Gradle, it was called build. Here it's called target. Again, different configurations for different build tools. And inside the target, I have the jar file that was built.